I'm really pleased to be able to share with you today that we are expanding our footprint in the UK to bolster our 8,000 strong workforce and open what will be our 8th site, Leonardo in Newcastle. The new site will have a cross-divisional focus on research, on development and prototyping of next-generation sensing, security and vertical lift products. With strong links to all our other sites across the UK, through opening this new site, we'll create a further 200 highly skilled jobs to pursue dynamic research and innovation and contribute to the 50% expansion of our early career opportunities. We will be looking to develop our connections with the supply chain across the North East and work with local academia. The new site will create a vibrant and energising environment and is an exciting opportunity for Leonardo in the UK.